Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on super dark mode on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to turn on super dark mode on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. All you have to do is that simply press and hold the home screen and then go to edit and then go to customize, and from here tap on dark mode, and then you have to choose it and then tap on the home screen, and now you have to drag down your control center, press and hold the brightness, and from here tap on dark mode and turn it on. So guys, after this the super dark mode will be enabled on your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this, the super dark mode is now enabled on your iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also turn on or enable super dark mode on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.